What up everybody, my name is Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I am going to show you how to pick your images for your creatives, for your Facebook ads, for Clickbank Offers. So let's dive in. Alright, let's take a look at the offers at Clickbank. So right now I am inside the marketplace and I want to do today's video on a vertical that is not the most popular on Facebook, but definitely worth a shot and definitely worth testing, which is basically the pet vertical. So this is the offer that we are going to focus on today, brain training for dogs. So this is their offer page. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. So yeah, it's basically a dog training videos, DVD set, whatever it is, to train your dog and to teach your dog how to behave and to basically eliminate bad behavior. So since this is a Facebook ad, we are going to use Canva for the right dimensions, and the right dimensions change a lot with Facebook. So make sure that you're always up to date with the dimensions of your picture because it's very important. But right now, for the news feed of Facebook, which I am going to focus on, it's 1080 by 1080. So those are the dimensions for the Facebook news feed ads. 1080 by 1080. So that gives you this square space. So let's dive in. Let's go ahead and search for some images. So the angle that I'm gonna take is gonna be two angles today to show you the variety. So first I want to take an angle of like, this was my dog before I knew how to train him. He misbehaved, he tore up all the furniture, and now since I gotten the training, he is so well behaved. That's one angle, and then the other angle is gonna be like, I never had a dog that listened to me so well, and these trainings helped me to train my dog since he was a puppy on becoming a well-behaved dog. Right? So two angles. One of them is going to be I have a terrible dog, but then all of a sudden I have a solution. And the other one is going to be, my dog is so amazing, you have to try this as well. Right? So let's start with the first angle on these dog training thing. So puppy tearing up furniture. Let's see what kind of results we get. So we go to images, obviously. All right. Let's take a look. So if you take a look at this first impression, there might be a lot of images where you're like, that looks cool, that looks decent, that might work for the specific angle that I want to take. And you're not mistaken, that's right, it might work, but my first impression when I look at all these images that are on the screen right now is nothing really pops out. You see a lot of the same colors, you see a lot of white. So the things that pop out to me is this blue carpet, but it's still not really popping out. And other than that, this picture right here has a couple of bright colors which jump out a bit, but not really what we're looking for. So we're just gonna scroll until we have that moment of like, that picture that just jumps out, right? So let's see what we can find. This is random, cleaning up eye. Okay, all right. What is he doing? Panic attack. Oh, that's so sad. That is so sad. But not what we're looking for. So let's continue the search. Maybe maybe we don't want the puppy in the search because I'm not getting the results that I want. Dog destroys house. Let's see. And I don't want a meme. I just want the picture. All right. A lot of the same results. You're not gonna tell me that a dog did this. No way. Oh damn, that's sad. Oh. Alright. Let's see. What else do we have? I say this a lot to my students, but don't feel bad if you take a long time finding the right image. This is one of the most time-consuming parts of setting up your campaign, is finding the right images. Finding that one image which will change your whole campaign. So, yeah, it might work. I'm not really convinced yet, but this might be a good picture. Oh, there's a watermark, so we can't use this at all, right? If you see a watermark, unless you can Photoshop it out and you're a genius at it, and you can't see it in the end result, don't use it. So what else do we have? What else? Okay, so I'm going to get another search in. Furniture. Dog crates. Sure. Nope, that's not what I meant. Let's see. Furniture destroyed by dog. Right, we keep getting those same results, so we have to be creative with our search. But maybe dog destroyed sofa. Maybe we will get some new images that we haven't seen yet. This is interesting, but not enough of a mess. I love that the dog is like in front of the picture and looking sad, but the trash is not. It's not speaking, right? Look at his face. That's genius. It's not really popping, is it? Nope, let's go back. All right, let's see. So I don't really like the quality of the picture, but what I do like about this picture is that the dog kind of jumps, right? We have that white hair, the pillows are light, the floor is light, and the dog is black, making it pop out of the rest of the content in the image and the rest of what's happening. But the quality of the picture is a bit off, and the eyes of the dog are a bit scary, so I'm not going to use this. But this, however, this might work. It's not really a puppy though, but sure, whatever, it works. So let's go into Canva. As you can see, here are my recent downloads, and I can simply drag it in, and then it will start uploading the image. And then I can drag it to the corner, and it will automatically resize it to the size that I want it to be. Let's download it. And we've got our first image. So this image would be on the angle of like, my dog was a mess. He destroyed everything in the house until I started to train him with these funny, fun to do brain training for dogs. And since then, he is so well behaving and he never tears up anything. All he tears up is his bowl of food, whatever, right? So for that angle, we might want to use this image. Now, for the angle of like having fun with your well-behaved, well-trained dog, and since a puppy, he is being so nice and never doing anything wrong because of these brain trainings for dogs. So that's the angle that we're going to look or search a picture for now. Find a picture for. So let's see, puppy, whoops, I don't need caps lock. Puppy training. Let's see, so this image, for example, the image itself about what's happening in the picture is not that bad, right? It's cute. It speaks, it's training, the dog is young, so therefore it basically fits everything what we're looking for. But this picture is very much a stock picture. If I would post this picture on my social media account, nobody would believe that I made this picture or that, that this is me on the picture or whatever. So too much of a stock image. We want to look for an image that looks like I simply just made it with my phone, and not quality-wise, but like picture-wise, right? We don't want it to look like there's a professional photographer involved in making that picture. So let's see. What else do we have? Look at his happy face. That's awesome. No. That is cute. All right. Dog training. Or perhaps we could also do one of those, what are those called? Those tracks? Parkour? But then I definitely want a puppy. So what I do, I basically keep trying, keep adding new words that I haven't searched for yet to basically get some new results and to check them out. What is he doing? Oh my God, what is wrong with you? Damn, bro. That's impressive though. Sick. All right, let's see. Not really what I was looking for. So what are those tracks called? Not tags, tracks. Nope. So I mean these like, well, whatever. We're just going to look for something else. Puppy in training. Puppy behavior training. So this might have been a good picture if this text wasn't here, right? But let's see if we can find something sort-like. Something where your first reaction is like, oh, that's such a good dog. Let me just Google that. Good dog. Nice. Too bad this date is here, and that's why you could still use it. You could still use it, but I wouldn't. I love this pose though. Let's see. So Petco is here, so we wouldn't use this, but cool picture though. Dog training. So pretty good image. The leash is loose. He's sitting nice. Yeah, this might be a good picture. You know what? I think I'm going to use this. I think I am going to try to crop this, see if the dimensions are right for this image. So let's upload it into Canva, and this is how Canva crops it automatically, but I think I can do a better job at that. I'm sorry, Canva. I just think I'm better than you. Just kidding. All right, let's see. So this would be somewhere around here, and we're going to drag that all the way to the top. Perfect. Now, it isn't the cutest of dogs. You know, a cute dog would be something like this, right? The dogs that everybody thinks is cute. Right. You see, those are the type of dogs where everybody's like, "Aw." But this dog isn't cute, but in the picture it speaks that he's well behaved, right? He's sitting there, he's not barking. He's not begging. He's just chilling. He's just chilling next to his boss, his pack leader, with a loose leash. So yeah, good stuff. I think this will work properly for the angle of like, since I trained my dog, he is so well behaved. I trained him as a puppy, or I trained him in a later year. It doesn't matter. But the angle is like, I've never had a dog so well behaved and so awesome since I went to this training with him and got him the brain training for dogs DVD set to train him as the best behaved dog in the world. Whatever, right? That kind of angle. That is what we are going to use this picture for. So 2 pictures, let's recap real quick. One with the angle of like my dog was insane and tore up everything until I took the brain training for dogs, which is going to be this image. And one image for the angle of my dog is well behaved. I never had a dog that is so nice. And it's all because of these brain trainings. And that's going to be this image right here. So that's going to be it for today. I thank you very much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Peace out.